18 beautiful pastel kitchen ideas. Never thought you'd consider a pink kitchen? This simple refresh from the gathered home uses a soft, subtle, pink hue to give the rest of the kitchen a modern feel. Even without a full renovation, adding a pop of trendy color, think millennial pink, can create the illusion of a fully updated kitchen. Add a few pastel appliances, and you won't miss your contractor. This cheery mint green kitchen from Holland Avenue adds the perfect splash of color. By only painting the bottom cabinets, the kitchen doesn't feel overly feminine or childlike, but rather maintains a contemporary, adult feel. We love the hints of pastel in the kitchen rug, which really ties the whole look together. This stunning yellow kitchen from Sophie Robinson Interiors is a bit bolder than your standard pastel, but the perfect way to add a bit of color to your kitchen. Yellow evokes a feeling of warmth and hospitality, and though this look may not be for the faint of heart, we think it's gorgeous. Sure, black and white is a classic combination, but this kitchen from Côte Maison offers a fun twist on the old standard. The black lower cabinets are chic and classic, but the pale pink painted brick keeps the kitchen from feeling too dark. Though many of the pastel kitchens on our list focus on just the lower cabinetry, this pale blue makeover from Homebunch uses color from floor to ceiling. The gold accents and modern black furniture keep the baby blues from feeling too nursery-like, and the modern fixtures keep it fresh and sophisticated. If your cabinets don't go all the way to the ceiling, you probably have a bit of awkward, unused wall space just begging for a splash of paint. This cozy kitchen from Best Friends Pizza Club adds an unexpected pastel teal upper trim to the stark white cabinets, giving the kitchen a bit of visual interest while still maintaining a monochromatic look. This blue and purple kitchen from Decorator's Notebook is not for the faint of heart, but it's one of the most fun kitchens we've seen yet. The bold colors work well together and add a fun, festive vibe to the large space. If you're obsessed with color, this is the look for you. Pastels are pale hues that are beautiful because of their subtlety. This kitchen from Diggs Design Company is an example of how easy it is to mix and match colors when they're quiet and low-key. The pale gray is beautiful on its own, but add in the pastel mint chairs, and this kitchen feels like spring all year long. Many of the kitchens we've highlighted so far feature a traditional or shaker style cabinet, which is a great canvas for pastels. But this contemporary kitchen from Huss and Hem proves pastels can work with any style. The sleek, modern cabinets really show off their pale blue hue. This adorable, quaint kitchen as seen on Bonjour Diary is everything we love about pastels and patterns. The pale peach cabinetry works beautifully with the vintage floor tiles and gives a retro flair to the whole space. We love using marble accents in every room in the house, but especially in a kitchen. This kitchen from Stories incorporates two of our favorite trends of the moment, marble and gold accents. The pale green lower cabinets help the look fully cohere and keep it from feeling too trendy. Not only does this adorable kitchen from Boho Studio have adorable mint green cabinets, we can't get over how much we love that pastel diamond pattern flooring. Painting your floor is a great way to camouflage worn-out materials or give your space an update without calling in a professional. If you want to go bold with patterns, stick to pale, subtle colors so you don't overwhelm. What is happier than a bright yellow kitchen? This adorable little space from the Color Tribe simply makes us feel happy inside and want to throw some yellow paint on our cabinets. Stat. If your kitchen is low on natural light, adding a pop of yellow will make it feel instantly brighter. There's just something soothing about pale purple. This modern kitchen from the Glitter Guide is mellow but eye-catching. The extra tall cabinetry feels elegant and sophisticated, but the lilac paint keeps the space from becoming stuffy or uninviting. These adorable light blue base cabinets from the Everygirl make us think of cotton candy in the best way. It's such a happy, inviting space, and the open shelving makes it feel even airier and fresher. This pale teal kitchen from Homelife has a retro feel, but is subtle enough not to feel kitschy. Pale colors are perfect for brightening up a space, especially when natural light is at a premium. When you have a small kitchen, you have even more freedom to experiment with bold choices. One of the best things about pastels is that they work well with so many bold, bright colors. This pink and green room from Gisbert Pepler may seem to present an unlikely pairing, but the two colors work surprisingly well together. The pale pink feels even more subtle and refined when matched with the deep hunter green. Can't commit to an entire pastel palette? Adding a splash of color to an island, as seen in this stunning kitchen from Dwelling Gawker, is a great way to test the trend without throwing caution to the wind. If paint is still too much of a commitment, accessorize your kitchen with pastel toasters or mixing bowls to add some fun color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.